Fare bene figura. Italian for make a good impression. Be a sharp dressed man. What is TPO? Time, place, occasion. This concept came from the West, but the acronym was created in Japan as a guideline in the 1970s and 80s through the fashion media. For those of us who've decided to dress intentionally for business, this is a great guideline to consider when assembling our outfits. So my point of view, first impressions aren't accidental. They're created. Decide the impression you want to make before others decide it for you. So classic menswear conventions, know the rule to break the rule. Number 62, what's the rule for hats in men's style? In winter, try a Fedora or a Homburg hat with your outfit. They look very cool and are excellent at keeping your body heat contained and not allowing it to escape through your scalp. Few men wear hats anymore, so it is guaranteed to help you stand out. For summer, you can wear a Panama hat to protect yourself from the sun, which is getting more and more intense. Invariably, whenever I wear my hats, I draw compliments. So today's first impression builders, events and objectives in Tokyo. Well, today was day one, teaching the high impact presentations course. The objective, well, there are some rules for teaching presentations: white shirts only, muted ties and pocket squares, because we don't want anything to be competing with our face. The suit is from Ermenegildo Zegna, Treviro, 1910. It's a navy, single-breasted, 15mm 15, superfine wool fabric, notched lapels, biquetta breast pockets, side vents, 35mm double cuffs, flap pockets. The shirt here, the badge is from Dale Carnegie, New York, 1912, a silver corporate badge. The cufflinks, dark purple from Thompson, London, 2008. Pocket square, Etro, Milano, 1968. Stabilizer from Cusca Fabrics, Kyoto, 1936. The badge, which is over, I had the pocket square, the pen. The pen is my Mont Blanc, Hamburg, 1906, classic business essential, and card holder, L'Envoi Paris, 1889. The watch, it's my vintage gold 24mm Cartier 1847 Tank Française with a black nubuck alligator strap. The fragrance was Tedemez, Paris, 2006. And the high shine shoes were Polini, 1953, derbies with a round toe cap to accommodate my broad feet. When you're standing for hours teaching, you definitely want comfortable shoes which can deal with your feet swelling during the day. So style meets business. You don't need to have a massive wardrobe to have a large number of combinations available to you. So choosing what to wear can be a task sometimes. TPO, time, place, occasion, shines a light on these choices and ensures we are always properly turned out for the moment. So style opens the door, but leadership, communication, sales, and executive presence keep it open. At Dale Carnegie Tokyo Training, we coach executives on all four. You want to master executive presence in Tokyo? Top performers in Japan's business world choose Dale Carnegie Tokyo Training to refine their leadership, image, and communication mastery. We have 35 white papers on leadership, sales, executive presence in Japan, and also 19 free ebooks. And you can get hold of those and get more information about me, about us, in the attachments with this video.